Hi, hello guys. So in this video we gonna see the shadowing technique. Like if you the shadowing someone video that is makes helpful for your communication skills improve. Why I am said means I am also did that same thing before the 1 or 2 months back. Yeah, how to say if you shadowing that is makes helpful because of if you some of the new word your mouth it will be the struggling like the embarrassing. So in this word initially I'm not the pronunciation it is a very well. After that I some of the YouTube channel I watched how to pronunciation, how to the shadowing, how there are the mouth will be the moving. So I am see that after that I am repeating like that way that is makes helpful for our mouth will be the flexible. So in my opinion the shadowing techniques makes helpful for to the fluency the some of the time. You know, so many the so many sentence or the framing like there's so many people that trying to do the tongue twisters. The tongue twisters means the mouth will be the struggling to some of the word. It is the makes also helpful for to understanding to speak the struggling of the word. So also trying to speak loud because of so many people are there don't speak the loud like outer outer of the word. So if you the speaking the loud you can easily get the fluency the rhythm. So it is a makes also helpful. So also the was English content the consuming lot if you also that is makes helpful. There so many friends are there are the childhood there are the watching the English movies but I am not the watching the English movie. There are easily the learn the rhythm how to they are speaking they are understand easily. In my friends some of the in my surrounding people there are watching the so many English movies but I not did it because of I having mobile for that time. So I am consuming now the lot of the English content like the YouTube video and some of the movies I am listening. But in my opinion that is a listening I am understanding that video or the podcast. It is a understanding for me that is a like how to say if I understanding or not. But I am the listening some of time I am the shadowing because of if you the listening skills also important because of if the native English speaker there are the speaking the fluent like the flow of the fluency how to handle it for them. If you someone they are speaking if you have the listening skill you can easily understand. So try to listening. So also thinking some of the people like my friends also thinking if you the speaking English if you speaking the English yeah I'm speaking the English when I speak I am the best. If I get the fluency I'm speaking them some other like stranger with me or like way. But if you the medium mistake in your mouth in your surrounding after that you got the fluency. If you don't try to speak don't try to the practice that is the not helpful for anything in your opinion. So hereafter try to think in English also the listening also important. The broadcast there's so many English also there in the YouTube channel like the native speaker the British English the accents also important. But you should listening and you should the shadowing techniques also important. Like I'm also doing same thing but the some of time I'm skipping 1 day or 2 day because of I have the lot of work because of I'm a student. I'm also the studying in my college like I have so many assignments some of the written and exam. So I'm also the consuming the lot of the English sentence or or like that way. So in my opinion, so the try to the shadowing techniques used for it, because of there's so many YouTube videos there. So put on the some videos or movie, please the shadowing, how they are speaking, how there are the like the mouth will be moving, like the shape of the mouth. It is the understanding also, like the shadowing techniques is very important. So hereafter, the try to think in English and shadowing and listening. At least so sorry, at least they give the 10 to 5 minutes the per day, because of don't wait for the perfect time. It is the never coming for any time. So because of how you using so many words in your mouth, like you can easily speaking. If you new word it will be using for your sentence, that time you were struggling the start. If you using that word the regularly, yeah, you can easily. So for example, so it is the end of the video. I'm saying this sentence because of I am using like I'm creating the YouTube channel like video, but this sentence I am easily I given, like. So thank you for supporting, because of you watch the full video. And also please comment me, I made any mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will the clear it in the next video. So please support me. So in this sentence I am not the struggling, because of I am using the all of the word, it will be not struggling. So what I am saying means, if you using so much of word in your mouth, you not struggling to speaking in your mouth. So in my opinion, so thanks for video. So we are together learn. So if you interested to speak with me, please let me know in the comment section. I will arrange the Google Meet. We gonna take videos or put on the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you, bye.